Example 1.1, find the adjoint of the matrix A equal to A, B, C, D. A first row first element, B first row second element, C second row first element, D second row second element. It is a 2 cross 2 matrix. You want to first find the adjoint of the matrix, for which you should first frame what is known as the cofactor matrix. For each element in the given matrix, there is another element called cofactor. To find the cofactor of each element, you should know what is the sign of the cofactor and also how to find the cofactor. First, if you want to find the cofactor of A, first row first element, then the cofactor of that A will have a positive symbol, and that cofactor would be the element which is visible after rejecting the row passing through A and the column passing through A. So if you reject the row passing through A and the column passing through A, what remains is this D. Therefore cofactor of A is D with positive symbol, because first row first element cofactor will be positive, so plus D. Understand that? Similarly, you want to find the cofactor of B, which will be negative, and that is the element visible after rejecting the row passing through B and the column passing through D, which is C, but it should be negative, so minus C. Understand that? You see in this, cofactor of A is plus D, cofactor of B is minus C. Similarly, the cofactor of C is minus B, because you reject the column through C and the rows through C, what remains is B, but its symbol will be minus, because second row first element cofactor will be negative. Then you have to find the cofactor of D. So D, forget about the row passing through D and the column passing through D. What you are seeing is A. Therefore the cofactor is A, but it is to be taken as positive, because for the cofactor of the second row second element, it is positive. So the matrix formed by all such cofactors taken in order on one-to-one basis forms a matrix known as the cofactor matrix of A, as you can see here. Cofactor matrix of A is D. Why? Because cofactor of A is D, cofactor of B is minus C, cofactor of C is minus B, cofactor of D is A. So this is the cofactor matrix of A. Then you should take transpose of the cofactor matrix. Transpose means what? The rows and columns will get interchanged. First row will become first column. You see D minus C is the first row here. In its transpose, D minus C will be the first column. Similarly, the second row is minus B, A. That will become the second column. So the adjoint of A, which is the transpose of the cofactor matrix, is simply D minus B minus C and A. Understood? Thank you.